Today I will show you how to create an account on Userfeel, and just have to follow the step-by-step tutorial, everything that I'm doing, and just follow the instruction clearly so that you can be able to create an account on Userfeel. Okay, now uh, you can see that this website it's all about testing, giving out feedbacks on websites that you will be given to test. So, and you can see that they have over 1 million testers and 700 happy clients. These clients are the ones who give out the jobs. Let's say they have a website, and your work is to test that website and give out your feedback on how the website is performing. Okay, and then you can see that here is the type of test that they give out to the testers. Okay, you can see that simulate an online purchase, and there's this one, perform a usability test on. They'll give you the website to visit and do the task. And then this one is test an iPhone application. Okay, those are the type of tests. You can go check it out on their website and see how they are doing the test. Okay, now few things to keep in mind. I usually prefer using a proxy. So here's the video. Go purchase a proxy and connect a proxy. I already made a video on how to connect a proxy, and then now you can go search on the website and then create the account. And another thing is that you need to have a US email. Let's say you are not from the US, you need to have a US email. So to consider how to verify a US email, just head over to text verified. You'll get a phone number there, and it's not expensive, it's so cheap. And take the phone number and verify the email. Okay, now, and the last thing that you need to have is a PayPal account. You need to have a PayPal account for you to receive payments. So the first step we're going to do is come click on start testing, and then you'll come to this page. You just click on register as a tester. Then after that, you'll be asked, you'll just fill out the form, your first name, last name, and then email address, and then confirm the email address, country of residence. Remember, if you're using a proxy, you have to choose US, and then select the state, then time zone, year of birth, and then password, and confirm password. I'll just have to fill out this one later. And then here's the other part. How would you like to get paid? You just select if it's PayPal. Remember I told you need PayPal, okay? And then insert the email that is attached with the PayPal, okay? After that, demographic profile, gender, if it's male, language, you're gonna put English. And then family status, you're gonna say single or if in a relationship. And then friend status, you can fill out without children because you already stated single. And then web experience, choose web expert. And then after that, devices available for testing. Don't just choose the ones that you have. You have to fill out this all. If it's Android phone, iPhone, Android tablet, iPad, Apple Watch, just leave out this one. The optional demographic data is not a must. It's optional. Just leave it like that, and then come out, check out this box, test adult websites. I have watched the training videos, and then click I accept terms and conditions. So let me just fill out this other part, and then we'll continue to the next part. Once filling out everything and click on apply for a tester, they'll tell you to verify your email address. So yeah, before proceeding, please check your email for verification link. If you don't receive the email, click here to request another. So once check out your email and then check for email verification. So let me do that, and then we'll continue on the next part. After verifying the email, it will take you to this part. Now is the training. You have to play the video, watch the full video on how the onboarding process, how to work. and then after that you'll take a test. So you'll come and check, you want to test with an MacBook or Windows. Okay, so you just have to download the app. After downloading, now you just they'll now give you the test that you're going to do. After that, now you just come and check on test history, and then survey history and the wallet. Your wallet will be available in my wallet: past withdrawals, total earnings, pending approval, payment denials, and you can see that you can only withdraw to PayPal. So withdrawal using PayPal may take 2 to 7 working days. So yeah, that's how simple and easy. Just go watch the full training video now, and then after that go take a test, and then after that see your test history, surveys history, and then your wallet. So that's how you just create an account on Userfeel, and that's how you just maneuver everything that you need. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll be posting more videos like this just to show you how to create an account in these websites, because there's a lot of websites out here which you can earn money from it, and I'll give you the tutorial each and every single day. So just stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on the notification, because I'll be posting daily on how to open accounts on these websites, how to correctly open an account for most of you beginners. And see you in the next video.